people can answer. 50% of the people can answer. Plus or minus 5 is the different. That is the depends upon the question paper, depends upon. Then difficult and very difficult questions are very important. Then who prepared thoroughly, they can answer these difficult questions. How much? Up to 60 to 70% of the questions will be answered by the students. Answered by the student. Then 30 plus 30 marks, maybe 30% of the marks will be last, or maybe may not be last. That is depends upon. Then every student can reach up to year. Up to year. For example, 10 members written exam. Then around 5 students can reach up to year. 5 students can reach up to year. Then in that 5 students, then who have capability to do. It means who prepared thoroughly. I said thoroughly. Who prepared very well, very extraordinarily. Who prepared very extraordinarily, they can answer these 10 questions. These 10 questions. Then, for example, we taken 10 members, 5 members. 5 members have to answer this one. Then these 5 members, around 10 questions are there, who answered at least 5 questions, they will be in the top position. Who answered at least in the 4 questions, they will be second. Like that, our ratio will be depends upon the other, maybe our ratio as well as our calling list will be under this one. It means the question paper is depends upon the difficult question and very difficult questions only. Remaining questions everyone should be answered. Then what is the thing? The general studies. Then we are